A very good morning to all the class 5 students. This is your chapter number 4 video. So chapter number 4 is what? About our nervous system. So the nervous system comprises of three parts, that is your brain, spinal cord and the nerves. So our nervous system consists of three parts, that is your brain, spinal cord and nerves. So we have to discuss them one by one. The brain, it acts like a computer that we all know, and the spinal cord is what? It is a thick cord like a cable which is connected to our backbone. So spinal cord connects to our backbone, and the nerves, they are the connecting thick wires and that connects to our brain. So a clear figure is given in your body about the nervous system. You can see the brain is here, spinal cord is here, and then the nerves is here. Now let us discuss about the brain. The brain consists of three parts, that is cerebrum, cerebellum and the medulla. So the brain, what? It consists of three parts, cerebellum, cerebellum and the medulla. Then what is the function of the cerebrum? It is the largest portion of the brain, and its function is what? The function of the cerebrum is the receive messages from your sense organs and decides what the body should do. So the function of the cerebrum is to receive the messages from the sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, mouth is there. So the cerebrum will do what? It will receive the messages from all the sense organs and it will send it to the brain to perform a specific functions like seeing, hearing, smelling. All these works will be done. Then medulla. Then we'll be talking about cerebellum. Cerebellum is the mid portion of the brain. Then it is the second mid portion of your brain, and it does the work of what? It does the work of to keep your body balance. The work functions of the cerebellum is to maintain your body balance. And then the last portion is the medulla. Medulla is the smallest portion of the brain, and it does the involuntary works. Involuntary works means what? Involuntary actions like breathing, heartbeat, digestion, all these kind of works is done controlled by the medulla. So basically there are three parts of the brain: cerebellum and medulla. Cerebellum is the largest portion of the brain, cerebellum is the mid portion, and medulla is the smallest portion of the brain. Cerebellum function is to receive messages from the sense organs. Cerebellum function is to do what? Is to keep the body balance, to maintain the body balance of our body. And then medulla work is what? To control the functions like sneezing, breathing, digestion and so on. These are the functions of the medulla. Next we have to discuss about the spinal cord. Spinal cord is what? It is a thick like a cable, and it controls all the reflex action. Reflex action means what? All the automatic actions which is done by itself is called as your reflex action, or you can say the immediate actions that is done by itself is called as a reflex action. Like when you touch any kind of hot object, then what we used to do? We used to withdraw our hand from itself quickly. So that kind of action is called as a reflex action, and that reflex action is controlled by what? It is controlled by the spinal cord. So spinal cord function is to control all the reflex actions like blinking of eyes, sneezing, salivating. That means whenever we smell something sweet or sour, our mouth used to get full of saliva. So that kind of work which happens in our body is called as your reflex action, and that is controlled by the spinal cord. Next is what we have to talk about the nerve. The nerve consists of three parts. That means nerve is consisting of three parts: sensory nerves, motor nerves and connecting nerves. Then by the name here itself, sensory nerves means what? It is doing controlling all the functions of the sense organs. So sensory nerves does all the functions controlled by the sense organs, and it will deliver the messages to the brain. Motor nerves means what? It is controlling all the muscles work. That means your muscles work, pulling and contraction of the muscles is controlled by the motor nerves. And the muscles functions, whatever is the muscle function, it is received from the muscles and then it is sent to the brain. Next is the connecting nerves. Connecting nerve cells does the work. It is a nerve cells which connects between the sensory nerves and the motor nerves. So the connecting nerve cells is what? It passes the signals from the sensory nerves and motor nerves, and then these signals are received to the brain, and then the function has to be delivered. These are the three nerve cells. So the three nerve cells are your sensory nerve cells, motor nerve cells and connecting nerve cells. Now we will be talking about what? Sense organs. So basically we know that there are 5 types of sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. What is the function of the eyes? The eyes function, we know that it is for the seeing purpose. That means Eyes is therefore to see the any kind of objects. We are able to see various kinds of things with the help of our eyes. So in the eyes, the things which are present is your iris, is their lens, retina, pupil, optic nerve, fovea. All these are the parts of the eyes which is present there. A clear picture of the figure of the eyes is given in a book. You look to that and then you will get that one also. Then ears, ear is used for hearing purposes, nose is for smelling, and then tongue is for tasting the different varieties of the food substances. So we have how many types of taste buds? In the taste buds we have a sour taste, salty, sweet, and then bitter. So basically there are how many types of taste buds? Sweet, salty, sour and bitter. So there are 4 taste buds which are present over our tongue. With the help of that we use to taste the food materials. And the last one is the skin. Skin is gives us what? The feeling of sensation. So the skin work is to give the work of a feeling of sensation. This is the function, these are the various functions of the sense organs. So we have discussed what? We have discussed about our brain, spinal cord and nerves. Brain is classified into 3 parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Spinal cord does the function of what? It controls all the reflex action, and reflex action is what? All the automatic action which is performed by the body is called as the reflex action. Then the last one is your nerves. Nerves is also of 3 types: sensory nerves, motor nerves and connecting nerves. And the last 4 topic of your chapter is your sense organs. So sense organs is of 5 types: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. And it has a specific function. Eyes is for seeing, nose is for hearing, smelling, ear is for hearing, and tongue is for tasting, and skin is for feeling. So this is the this is your all about your chapter number 4. You watch the video twice and thrice for better understanding and go through your book too. Thank you.